This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do Gua Sha for your knees. This can help with knee pain. Gua Sha tools come in many different shapes and materials. This one is jade, decently affordable, strong, and pretty. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, so pick the one that works best for you. You do not need a lot of pressure to really affect the soft tissue, which is what makes this tool so great for joints. Holding like this at an angle, you are going to do a scraping motion like so. You can go back and forth too. The general rule is if you want to help with adhesions, go in different directions. The goal is to disrupt the lines of force your fibroblasts have used to lay the collagen so you can disrupt the pattern of dysfunction you are caught in. If you want to help with swelling, always go towards the heart. Otherwise, you are making your circulatory and lymph systems work harder. If you have a diagnosed knee condition or injury, please consult a doctor before attempting this technique. You can do this for 2 to 15 minutes a day. If you're sore, give it a break until you are not sore anymore. It isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, you know to do all the things. Reach out if you have any questions.